How's everybody doing? Aztec Games here. So I'm going to show you how to host an offline PS4 9.60 exploit host. Well, 9.60 or lower. 11.00 is a completely different ball game. We're not going to get into that today because it doesn't use a website. It uses the PS4's PPPoE system, but using PPPone. But we're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to show you how to use a WebKit exploit on 9.60 or below for the PS4 with the website. So, first things first, you go ahead and download XAMPP. You just type in XAMPP in Google and you can get it. This does take a little bit to extract and unpack on your computer through the program's installer. It'll take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So you get to download it, start the extraction, let it install, run it, let it install. Once the install is complete, restart your computer and then run it so you can get all the files that you need. And I'll show you what files you need. You go to Explorer, and these are the files that are going to be installed for XAMPP. In the XAMPP folder, go to htdocs, and yours is not going to look like this. XAMPP installs its own custom little website that you can tinker with, but we're not going to use that one. So you just delete all the files out of here. Don't start this yet, by the way. You can delete all the files out of here. Go back to Google, and then type in Caro Git Hub, and go to the second one, and then get this one right here, caro218.github.io. This will have all the exploit sites and versions for Goldhand and custom and PS4 firmwares in here, including the new one. Except for the newest Goldhand, it's behind one version on the Goldhand. The newest one is 18.2, 2.4 18.2. This one's 17.3. Not that big of a deal. You're not really missing all that many features. So anyway, you go ahead, click code, and you can download zip. And what I did is I downloaded the zip folder right into the htdocs folder. Then I went into here, go into it again, and since I'm only using 9.00, I only selected the 9.00 stuff to download. Okay. So yeah, and then I extract it. Or it went like this. I click copy, go back to here, and then paste it. I'm not going to because I got a custom one put in here. So yeah, if you want to download mine, you can go ahead and download it. Link will be in the description. If not, you can go ahead and use Caro's. Mine is just a edited version of Caro's host, and it only has the most recent Goldhand, so 18.2. It just has 18.2, nothing else. Okay. So as I just created it for this video, it's a very simple, straightforward process on how to edit these the HTML scripts. So once you got your XAMPP, download it, and your htdocs folder all straightened away with Caro's host or my host or whatever, even your own, you go ahead and click start. It'll start the Apache server on your port 80 and 443. If you're having issues with these ports, you can go in and change them in the config, I think it is. I forget where it's 2 now. Services? No, it has Windows services. It's anyway. It's somewhere. It's in here somewhere. I forget how to do it. I can't really remember. But yeah, that's the admin page. I don't know what the admin page is different than my host, but it is what it is. So my PS4 is loaded. Okay. I'm going to minimize this, so that's all good. I'm rambling a lot here. I'm sorry. So let me close this. So you go over to the PS4 now. Log into the PS4. Go to the website. Make sure you got your USB ready to run. Excuse me. The bookmarks. Actually, what I'll do so you think I'm not trolling. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. And super simple host. This is my host here. I'm gonna have to blur my IP address because that is my computer's IP address. You can't see that, and it's not a VPN, so I gotta blur that out. Um, that's when, yeah. Okay. So when I add payloads, the payloads are gonna be here. When I add Linux, Linux is gonna be here. Gold Hen is already added. It's good to go. I am going to be adding more options and stuff, but as of right now, this is my host. This is what it looks like. Go ahead, load that. Now, all I gotta do is refresh and it should work. Yeah, see, my computer decided to say, hey, look, I'm gonna turn your antivirus on, and this file's gonna get deleted. Good luck on you. But anyway, refresh. Let me run the jailbreak. Insert the USB. Wait for the notification. Here's a notification. Wait for it to disappear. Notification disappear. Click OK. Move the USB. When that jailbreak done pops up. Okay. And it's going to automatically load Gold Hen for you. And that's the exploit loaded from my host. As simple as that. And if you wanted to use Caro's host, this is what it would look like. Oh, no, hold on. Not this one. Not this one. It would look like this. This is Caro's host. You would have all these fancy little options for your other Gold Hens. He is using this one here. This is what I'm using. It just has more options in it, so it takes a lot longer to install the offline cache. Mine just has Gold Hen, so it only needs to cache Gold Hen and the exploitation features or JavaScript that it needs for it, which is why it runs and loads so quickly. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.